Covent Garden in the heart of central London is one of my favourite areas, and coincidentally it's a hub for high-end makeup brands. In fact, one of the British beauty industry's icons is just across from the tube station. Charlotte Tilbury opened her first ever Beauty Boudoir here in late 2015. Stepping inside, it's as glamorous and decadent as you'd imagine knowing Charlotte's style, and is home to all of her rose gold goodies. I'll let you take it all in. Charlotte's brand began with a focus on 10 signature makeup looks, so you can choose who you feel like channeling that day and discover the product breakdown to get the look easily. Or you can browse her extensive collection and explore super smooth skincare, glowy base products, pops of colour, enhancing eyeshadows, and her luxurious lip products, of course. Heading downstairs, the fun continues in a separate space where you can book in for makeup appointments in the Beauty Boudoir. The walls are covered in look inspiration, full of the famous covers and iconic faces Charlotte has worked on over the years. When I asked permission to film this video in store, the team generously invited me to experience a Tilbury transformation for myself. The lovely Billy was my lead makeup artist for the afternoon, and we had such a good time chatting about beauty and playing with products, many I already own and love. Now, the style of my videos doesn't feature me on camera, but I fell in love with the eye look she created based on the Victoria's Secret show, so here it is. Thank you so much to Billy, Juliet and the Charlotte Tilbury team. At the end of my appointment, which was just after my birthday, they surprised me with an incredible goodie bag of new releases, so I'll be sharing more about the look we created and my favourite Charlotte Tilbury products soon, as well as giving you a chance to take some home too. If you're a beauty lover planning a visit to London, make sure you add Charlotte Tilbury to your list.